In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. Start by opening the Slack site in your browser. I'm assuming you are already logged in, so once Slack loads, you should be looking at your main workspace dashboard. This is the main area where your channels, direct messages, and workspace navigation are available. Now look at the left sidebar. This is where Slack lists the channels you have access to. Click the channel where you want the shared document to live. For this walkthrough, click the Project Launch channel. After you select it, the channel opens in the main pane, and you will see the regular channel view with the Messages tab at the top. At the top of the channel, look for the tab bar next to Messages. In that same row, click Add Canvas. Slack will immediately open a blank canvas as a new tab next to Messages. This blank canvas is where you will build the shared document for the channel. At the top of the canvas, click the title area. It currently shows Untitled. With the title field active, type Q2 Launch Plan. Take a moment to enter the title clearly, because this is the name channel members will use to identify the canvas. After typing the title, press Enter. This moves your cursor down from the title area into the body of the canvas, where the main content will go. Now press the slash key on your keyboard. This opens Slack's slash menu, which lets you insert different types of content blocks into the canvas. In the menu that appears, click Heading 1. This changes the current line into a large section heading. Type Launch Checklist as the heading. This will label the main section of the shared document. After typing Launch Checklist, press Enter to move to the next line. On the new line, type Shared Doc for tracking our Q2 launch tasks. This line gives a short description of what the canvas is for, so anyone opening it can understand the purpose right away. After entering that description, press Enter again to move to the next line. Now press the slash key again to open the slash menu one more time. In the menu, click Checklist. This inserts a checklist block which lets you create items that can be checked off as work is completed. Your cursor should now be ready inside the first checklist item. Type Finalize Marketing Copy, then press Enter. This creates the first checkable task and moves you to the next checklist line. For the second checklist item, type Schedule Team Briefing, then press Enter again. This adds the second task and prepares another checklist line underneath it. For the third checklist item, type Publish Blog Post. You do not need to add anything else to the checklist after this item. At this point, the canvas contains the title, a heading, a short description, and 3 checklist items. Next, go to the top right corner of the canvas and click Share. A sharing dialog opens. In this dialog, review who currently has access to the canvas. The project launch channel should be listed there, showing that the canvas is connected to that channel. Find the Permissions dropdown next to the Channel row. Click that dropdown. Then choose either Can Edit or Can View, depending on the access level you want for that channel. Can Edit allows channel members to make changes to the canvas. Can View allows them to open and read it without editing. Now click Copy Link. This copies a shareable link to the canvas, so it can be pasted somewhere else if needed. After copying the link, click Save or click Done if that is the button Slack shows in your dialog. This closes the sharing window. You should now see a Canvas tab next to Messages at the top of the Project Launch channel. Clicking that tab opens the canvas you created with the Q2 Launch Plan title, the Launch Checklist heading, the intro line, and the 3 checkable tasks. Channel members can access it based on the permission you selected. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations! You have created and shared a Slack canvas inside a channel.